Hello! I just told myself to pretend like I'm talking to my mom. Helps me kickstart. Guys, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. Yes, that's me on the screen. I dressed up, wrote a script, and decided to shoot my first video ever. I was super nervous, and all I did that night was trying to get comfortable in front of the camera, trying not to feel weird about the idea of talking to a camera. So, I will quickly introduce myself to you. My name is Sharmishta. I was born on 9th Feb 1996 in Hyderabad and lived there up to my 4th grade. Me and my mom then moved to Vizag, and there happened the rest of my schooling, high school, and graduation. Though I was surrounded by many and looked happy too, believe me or not, until I was 20 years old, I barely made selfless friends who I could rely on without the fear of being burdened or betrayed. Most of my childhood and teenage phase was spent getting into issues with all the friends I made, to a point where everyone started to make me feel like something was wrong with me. Ungroomed me got tags like boring, behenji, sad soul, and whatnot. Not to forget, I was often judged for having a darker complexion too. I tried real hard, I really did. I tried wearing makeup, short dresses, attended parties, basically did everything to fit into a specific circle. I terribly failed. I could not manage to fake after a certain point. Through all my tough times, I would either pray hard to God or saw myself bury my face into my mom and cry till I felt better. She was my best friend. The contradiction between loving the comfortable home life in Vizag and desperately wanting to feel better about myself by connecting with wiser people kept growing on me. Somewhere I always had hidden love for the city I was born in. I always felt like Hyderabad was flowing in my blood while growing up away from it. I would sit for hours together trying to change my life. I finally decided to apply for jobs after graduation and got myself a decent paying job at Amazon. First few days of living alone were daunting. Staying alone in a two-sharing hostel room would make me regret leaving home. I couldn't sleep alone all night and would feel dead at work. But gradually things fell in place. Meeting new people who were poles apart from the kind of people I knew back home was so relieving. Now is when I started making real friends. People I could rely on, people who would love me unconditionally. My confidence kept growing, and stress, headaches, tension, and everything that made me feel low kept reducing to a great extent. Positivity, freedom, and independence felt like wings. Cut to, after a year or more at Amazon, I moved on to working with Uber for a tiny bit when suddenly I ran into the idea of doing my master's. I applied and got myself an admission at UCD Smurfit Business School for Masters in Marketing. Packed my bags and moved to Ireland to pursue further education. Life wasn't easy when I got here too. From being stranded on cold nights without a place to live to now living in a comfortable, cozy apartment, this story has everything. I will leave that narration for another day. For now, I can say I am proud of this journey too, because I came out with flying colors this December 2019. Been in Ireland for almost 2 years now and not sure where I will be next. I've been a content consumer ever since I was a child. Every summer vacation, we had no nanny's or dadi's house to visit, so my mom bought me a swing, we still have it, in which I would sit for hours together and watch every movie, TV serial, and reality show that was on air. I would enact those lines in front of the mirror, dance to new songs by wrapping around my mom's chudni just to pass time, while my mom was working hard at work. Thanks to the bullies I grew up around at school, I started to believe that dark girls cannot be actresses. I worked really hard to get extraordinary grades but never scored more than 75 on 100 because my answers did not match the textbooks. Surely managed me to get what I have today though. When digital started to grow in India, I wasted a lot of time in evaluating my inhibitions. It took me 3 years or more to finally feel like I can go out there and try my stars. So here I am to make some more real friends, to extend my tiny miny families. These guys are my mains. Bless me, guys. Number 1. I believe that I'm an interesting personality. My friends never have a dull moment when I'm around them. I'm full of bloopers and I will try my best to spread that love and happiness through my channel. Number 2. Food is life. I read the menu like I am to give an exam. This channel will reflect that love of mine for food. As a child, I would hear students say that they want to be doctors, teachers, etc. But I always said that I want the world to taste my mom made food.
Number 3.
Also, I am based out of 3 countries now, and I will keep traveling from one place to another, which is Ireland, UAE, and India. So I will try and get something new to the table every time I travel. That is all for today, guys. I stay pretty active on Instagram too. Quarantine is making me outdo myself in the kitchen. So check out Sharmishta09. Yes, that's my Instagram handle. And follow me if it interests you. If you have any ideas on what you'd like to see, then please drop your ideas in the comment section below and I will pick them up from there. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.